Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll show you how to add another email to iPhone. So guys, to do this process, first things first is you can just simply go to your settings. Now once you are here on the settings, you can just simply scroll down guys until you find over here down below apps. Go ahead and select that, and pretty much over here just simply go for the mail app, or you could use the search bar at the top. So just simply select mail, and now from here, you could just simply go ahead and select mail account. So at the top, I have mail account, and pretty much you could select which options, either iCloud, Gmail, and if you want to add a new email, select add account, and you will have other options over here, specific platforms that you can continue with, or you could go for the other if it's not on the option. For example, I'm going to go for my Gmail, which is Google. And from here, of course, just simply provide your email and password in order for you to proceed. And after that, guys, once you have provided your information, you should be able to add your email into your iPhone. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And thanks for watching.